Is Tiffany's content, and we're talking about Tropical Storm Arthur trying to take form right on the coast of Texas. Okay, so we're putting a lot of places on alert right now, going all the way from Texas stretching to Louisiana with a tropical storm Arthur trying to form as early as overnight. Okay, now trying to form and overnight trying to become a tropical storm. Okay, so make sure that you're aware of that, and it's going to go through several states. Okay, 6 states before it really dissipates. It's going to be a weak storm, but it will have a lot of flash flood warnings and tropical surge afterwards. Okay, and that's what's going to be taking effect on the 6 states. Okay, right now is a tropical storm warning in Louisiana and even in Texas. Okay, and it's trying to take a toll on that whole, Gulf of America coastline. Okay, so it's definitely giving you flash flood warnings, high at least 70%. Okay, now when we're saying that, we're saying turn around, don't drown. If you see water out there, if you see a lot of heavy rain coming and you know that certain streets flood, don't even try to take that street. Okay, because it is a lot of flooding out there. Okay, it's like I told you, it's going to go through Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, and even Florida. Okay, we're going to have some effects through the Gulf of America with Tropical Storm Arthur trying to form only at 40 miles per hour, but it's definitely going to take on, it's going to be more of a water event. Okay, a lot of storms be wind events and water events or vice versa, but this is definitely going to be more of a water event. Okay, meaning lots of water, heavy surge even afterwards. Okay, so you may not feel a lot of effects right now, but there's going to be a lot of lightning and thunderstorm bands that'll be coming through. But remember, the after effects is what's important as well too. That storm surge can definitely rise up and take peak. Okay, so you want to be aware of that. Check your local listings. Right now it's definitely trying to form. It's definitely picking up some wind speed right there on the coastline of Texas near Corpus Christi, Texas. It looks like it's going to be where most of the flooding will start to happen. Now that doesn't mean that in Greensville or Brownsville that it won't have a lot of flooding, or Houston, it won't ever have a lot of flooding. No, that means that this is the areas that we will see the most flooding and heavy rain activity, but everything will be affected. Just know that. Okay, so we're looking at about 2 to 4 feet. Okay, of a storm surge, a peak storm surge, and this is after the storm. Okay, this can be even during the storm, but we're saying even after the storm, understand that this water can rise and the ocean can come back through. It's very powerful. Okay, and it's definitely 40 miles per hour in of a tropical storm. It's very powerful. Okay, and that wind speed is very can be very damaging as well. Okay, so we're looking at it starting as early as overnight. Definitely will try to become a tropical storm by the afternoon tomorrow, Wednesday. Okay, and it looks like by Thursday it's going to become a post-tropical storm. Okay, trying to dissipate in Louisiana. Okay, we're going to keep you updated through these apps, but I want you to make sure that you're staying connected to Tiffany's content. I'm going to make sure that I'm going to stay focused on where a lot of that storm surge, that flooding is happening. Make sure you're checking your local listings and stay tuned to Tiffany's content so that you can be updated. Remember, we're looking at the path, the cone right now, and the cone of uncertainty can go in or outside that range. Okay, so make sure that you understand that and you know that I'm here to make sure that everybody is aware. So make sure you're liking and sharing this so that everybody can understand what's going on. A lot of people are saying, oh, it's not going to be that big of a deal, but you have to understand that water and that flooding is very big. Okay, and you're going to see the times there, and just know that those times can be a little bit in or outside the time bracket. Okay, but just know that overnight going into tomorrow, you can wake up to a tropical storm if you're on that coastline of Texas going into Louisiana. Okay, so it's definitely important that you understand that. Okay, make sure you stay connected and stay tuned. It's Tiffany's content. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.